Fish can locate the source of sounds underwater, but exactly how they do this has baffled scientists for decades. Now, a group of researchers have an answer for how some fish understand their audio environment. In nature, being able to react to sound is critical for survival. And in particular, it helps to know which direction a sound is coming from. When it comes to most land animals, including humans, the ears and brain work together to get a sense of the source of sounds in the surroundings. Sound arrives at your ears at different times. If it comes from your left, it'll arrive at your left ear before your right. A slight but noticeable delay. And then your head creates an acoustic shadow, which basically means sound doesn't travel through us as well as the air. So the sound is louder when it reaches your left ear compared to your right. Combining these two systems allows the brain to piece together where a noise came from. But underwater, it's not that simple. Sound travels about 5 times faster underwater, so there is a much smaller delay. And as fish are basically made from water, sound passes straight through them and they don't create an acoustic shadow. Instead, their ears detect another component of sound, called particle motion. When a sound is made, it ripples through molecules, knocking them together so they undulate back and forth. This particle motion bends hair cell components called stereocilia in the fish's ear, and this is translated to hearing. But this back and forth movement of particles doesn't tell the fish the direction the sound came from. We know fish have directional hearing, but the mechanism has researchers stumped. A long-held theory is that along with detecting particle motion, fish were also detecting the pressure of a sound wave, perhaps using their swim bladder, a gas-filled sac used for buoyancy. Researchers looked at Danionella cerebrum, a fish which uses sound to communicate, indicating a need for good hearing. They are also translucent, meaning researchers could peer inside the fish to see what was going on. They found that the swim bladder was sensitive to sound pressure and was connected to a set of bones in the fish's inner ear. The team created an experiment in a tank where they could play sounds from different directions and monitor the movements of the fish. In the majority of cases, the fish swam away from the source of the noise very quickly. But with their setup, the team were able to create an acoustic illusion, causing the fish to experience the same particle motion, but a different pressure. Here, the left loudspeaker still creates particle motion and pressure, but the 2 speakers at the top and bottom of the tank invert the pressure. Unusually, the fish moves towards the sound source, indicating the pressure wave is having an impact on where the fish believes the sound is coming from. This result, along with the anatomical structure of the fish, shows the importance of both particle motion and pressure when it comes to pinpointing the location of a sound. Moving forward, researchers hope to find out whether this system is present in other fish, along with investigating the neural mechanism behind it. The work also raises questions about how fish without a swim bladder, like sharks, can tell the direction of a sound. For now though, this little fish has helped answer a big question about life beneath the waves.